To the human eye, a solid rock is passive weight, but motion theory views every object as a long-lived, vibrating pattern of structured motion operating under extreme constraints. For centuries, humanity treated magnets like wizard hardware, bits of metal that pull other objects without contact, and settled for the idea of invisible force lines to explain the influence. That model is conceptually lazy. It ignores the physical choreography occurring inside the matter itself. Magnetism occurs when chaotic internal movement stops being random. When these motion loops snap into directional agreement, the material undergoes a shift into motion alignment. A magnet is simply matter whose internal motion loops have successfully negotiated a large-scale agreement. When internal loops point in every direction, they cancel each other out. But when they align, their combined movement becomes magnetically loud. This alignment creates a directional flow that cannot be contained within the material's boundary. Just as a crowd marching in unison forces nearby people to join the rhythm, the internal loops push their directional pattern into the surrounding space. This creates a synchronization gradient. The dense internal order organizes the surrounding region into a similar structured pattern. This organization changes character when the motion flows through a wire. Instead of pointing straight down the path, the motion twists. When structured motion redistributes through matter, it naturally generates a rotational organization around that flow. This is motion curl. Wrapping that wire into a coil reinforces this effect. The individual curls are forced to stack, aligning their twists into a unified front. Industrial generators rely on this specific architectural habit. They use massive wire coils to create large-scale motion curls. By stacking thousands of loops around this central drum, the machine multiplies the individual curls into a massive, disciplined pattern. This is a machine built to train motion to curl in agreement. Consider the behavior of a standard bar magnet when split directly in two. Rather than isolated poles, the result is instantly two smaller, complete magnets, each possessing its own north and south orientation. Because magnetism is a twisting curl, it cannot be cut in half without the flow instantly reorganizing to complete the loop. Much like splitting a vortex in water, the motion simply settles into smaller, completed structures. This curled organization also explains how magnets steer moving charged objects sideways without any physical contact. A spinning ball curves in the air because one side of the spin works with the airflow while the other side fights it. This uneven pressure forces the ball into a new trajectory. An electron is a structured knot of motion. As it moves through a magnetic curl gradient, its internal rotation clashes with the surrounding organization on one side, creating uneven tension across the knot and steering the path sideways. Attraction, repulsion, and deflection are the physical results of structured motion, resolving tension to preserve its pattern. On a macro scale, these motion structures can be forced into states of extreme exclusion. This train hovers because its motion patterns clash with the track's organization. Their curls resist overlap, settling instead into a stable gap of exclusion that supports the vehicle's weight. These behaviors aren't limited to metal and wires. They are the foundation of light itself. Light occurs when electric-style flow and magnetic-style curl generate each other in a self-sustaining rhythmic structure. They propagate together as a balanced, moving architecture. Modern medicine uses these massive coils to manipulate the biological magnetic states of the human body, allowing us to see through tissue using nothing but curled motion gradients. Even a single bar magnet resting on a table is performing this choreography. Unlike a random stone, the magnet's internal loops are so well aligned that they actively announce their orientation to the room. Magnetism is matter revealing the direction, discipline, and curl of its internal structured motion.